Deep in the heart of Siberia, Russia, lies a place of amazing beauty and importance to scientists. This vast and remote region is a treasure trove of natural wonders and historical significance, offering a glimpse into the Earth's ancient past and the resilience of life in harsh conditions. This is the Golden Mountains of Altai, a UNESCO World Heritage Site. These mountains are not just a feast for the eyes, but also a critical area for biodiversity and cultural heritage. These mountains are more than just geographically amazing. They show the power of nature. The rugged terrain and dramatic scenery are a testament to the geological forces that have shaped this region over millions of years. They're home to lots of different plants and animals, and a history that goes back thousands of years. The diverse flora and fauna found here are unique to this part of the world, making it a vital area for scientific research and conservation efforts. The Altai region is huge, covering over 1.64 million hectares. This expansive area provides a sanctuary for wildlife and a living laboratory for scientists studying climate change, ecology, and geology. It's a place where tall mountain peaks touch the sky, clear rivers flow through old valleys, and beautiful lakes reflect the blue sky. These natural features create a stunning landscape that attracts adventurers, photographers, and nature lovers from around the world. Inside this amazing landscape, a story unfolds. It's a story of survival, adaptation, and the intricate balance of ecosystems that have developed over millennia. It's a story of how the Earth changed, how life survived, and how people have lived in this awesome environment. The geological formations tell a tale of ancient seas, volcanic activity, and the relentless forces of erosion. Meanwhile, the presence of historical sites reveals the deep connection between humans and this land, dating back to ancient civilizations that once thrived here. The Golden Mountains of Altai show how creative nature can be. These mountains, with their snow-capped peaks and diverse terrain, are a testament to the raw beauty and power of the natural world. The Altai Mountains are not just a sight to behold, they are a living, breathing ecosystem that supports a wide variety of flora and fauna. From the highest peaks to the lowest valleys, every inch of this landscape tells a story of resilience and adaptation. Imagine a place where rolling hills covered in wildflowers become thick, old forests. These hills are a vibrant tapestry of colors, with wildflowers of every hue painting the landscape. As you move from the open hills into the dense forest, the air becomes cooler and the light dimmer, filtered through the canopy of ancient trees. It's a seamless transition from one type of beauty to another, each equally captivating in its own right. Picture tall pine trees, with marks of time on their trunks, watching over the plants below. These trees have stood for centuries, their bark etched with the passage of time. The forest floor is a rich, dark carpet of needles and leaves, providing a fertile ground for new life. The air is filled with the scent of pine and the sounds of birds and insects, creating a symphony of nature that is both soothing and invigorating. Climb higher, and you'll find fields of colorful flowers in the short summer. These high-altitude meadows are a burst of life and color, a stark contrast to the rugged terrain that surrounds them. The flowers bloom in a riot of colors, attracting bees, butterflies, and other pollinators. It's a fleeting beauty, lasting only a few weeks each year, but it's a sight that leaves a lasting impression. Mount Belukha, the tallest mountain in Siberia, rises above everything. This majestic peak is a symbol of strength and endurance, standing tall against the elements. Its snow-covered summit is a beacon for adventurers and climbers, drawing them from all corners of the globe. The mountain is not just a physical challenge, it's a spiritual journey, a test of one's limits, and a testament to the human spirit. Its snowy top reaches 4,506 meters high. The peak is often shrouded in clouds, adding to its mystique and allure. From the summit, the view is breathtaking, a panorama of rugged peaks and deep valleys that stretch as far as the eye can see. It's a place where the earth meets the sky, a reminder of the grandeur and majesty of the natural world. This amazing mountain, important to the local people, attracts climbers and adventurers. For the indigenous people, Mount Belukha is a sacred place, a source of spiritual strength and cultural identity. For climbers and adventurers, It's a challenge to be conquered, a goal to be achieved. The mountain brings together people from different walks of life, united by their respect and admiration for this natural wonder. Then, there's Lake Teletskoye, so deep and clean it's called the younger brother of Lake Baikal. This pristine lake is a haven of tranquility, its clear waters reflecting the surrounding mountains. It's a place where you can lose yourself in the beauty of nature, where the only sounds are the gentle lapping of the water and the calls of distant birds. This lake, with its emerald green water, is full of life and wonder. Beneath the surface, a vibrant ecosystem thrives, with fish and other aquatic creatures going about their lives. The water is so clear that you can see the lakebed, a world of its own, teeming with life. It's a reminder of the delicate balance of nature, a testament to the beauty and complexity of the natural world. The Golden Mountains of Altai are not just beautiful, they're a hotspot for different kinds of plants and animals. This region is where several different environments meet. This special location has created a mix of species, many found nowhere else on Earth. High in the mountain meadows, you might see the rare snow leopard, hidden among the rocks. The Altai argali, a wild sheep with huge horns, climbs the steep slopes. And in the thick plants below, the Siberian ibex, a master of hiding, blends into the shadows. The Golden Mountains of Altai are a living museum where you can feel the past. Ancient burial mounds called kurgans are scattered around. They're from the Scythian civilization that once lived here. These mounds, often frozen by the region's permafrost, contain artifacts and even mummies, showing us a time long ago. Maybe the most amazing discovery was in the Denisova cave in the Anui River Valley. Here, scientists found bone pieces from a new kind of early human, the Denisovans. This discovery changed how we understand human history, showing how different groups mixed. High on the Ukok Plateau, the air is thin, and the silence is almost palpable. This vast expanse, with its snow-capped peaks and clear blue skies, feels like a world apart from the hustle and bustle of modern life. It's very quiet here, almost eerily so. This remote and harsh landscape is not just a geographical location, but a spiritually significant place for the people of Altai. The Altai people have lived in harmony with this land for centuries, believing it to be a bridge between the physical and spiritual realms. The misty mountain ranges and the serene, quiet natural scenery add to the mystical aura of the place. It's a place where the line between the real world and the spirit world seems thin, almost as if one could step from one realm into the other with ease. The mountains are dotted with ancient rock carvings and sacred sites, each telling stories of spirits and gods that have been passed down through generations. These stories are not just folklore, but are deeply ingrained in the cultural and spiritual fabric of the Altai people. In 1993, archaeologists made a groundbreaking discovery here. They found a perfectly preserved mummy of a young woman, now known as the Ice Maiden or the Siberian Ice Princess. This discovery was not just a scientific marvel, but also a cultural revelation. The discovery of the Ice Maiden sparked a lot of debate and controversy. While scientists were eager to study the mummy to learn more about ancient civilizations, the local people were deeply concerned. The Altai people believed that disturbing the burial site angered the spirits and brought bad luck to the region. Traditional ceremonies and rituals were performed to appease the spirits, but the debate between scientific curiosity and cultural sensitivity continues to this day. For centuries, the Altai people have lived with the land, their lives connected to nature. Coming from nomadic tribes, they have kept their unique culture and traditions, passing down old knowledge. Their connection to the land is strong. The Altai people respect nature, shown in their shamanistic beliefs, which say all living things are connected. They know about medicinal plants and live sustainably, reminding us how important it is to live in balance with nature. The Golden Mountains of Altai, though grand and strong, are in danger from the modern world. Climate change, a global threat, is affecting this pristine environment. Glaciers are melting fast, threatening the balance of the region's ecosystems. Also, The desire for natural resources like minerals and wood is a constant threat. The plan to build a gas pipeline through the Ukok Plateau, which could be very damaging to the environment and the Altai people's culture, has caused a lot of worry. The future of the Golden Mountains of Altai, a place of great beauty and importance, is up to us. We must all work together to protect this natural treasure for future generations. Conservation efforts are happening, led by groups and people dedicated to protecting this special place. The Katunsky Nature Reserve, a large protected area, is a safe place for endangered species and a model for sustainable conservation. Education is important because only by understanding and appreciating nature can we truly protect it. The Golden Mountains of Altai show the amazing power and beauty of nature. This UNESCO World Heritage Site, with its diverse landscapes, many plants and animals, and ancient culture, is a gift we must protect for future generations. As we admire the tall mountains, explore the clean lakes, and see the amazing animals that live here, let's remember we are just caretakers of this special place. We are all responsible for protecting this global treasure. Let's make sure the Golden Mountains of Altai continue to inspire and amaze for thousands of years to come.